Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandhya, and today I'm going to show you how to paint Puri Jagannath temple on canvas. First, here I am painting sky with cobalt blue and white color. After finishing the sky, next I am doing the detailing part. I have drawn a light sketch of the temple. Now I am taking raw sienna plus white color with the yellow ochre, and with the help of the flat brush I am just applying it to the temple drawing. Now I am giving little detailing part of the temple by using lines, and color used is here is burnt sienna. Now you can take acrylic markers for painting lines and some detailing part. You can use acrylic marker. Now I have taken orange acrylic marker and giving little bit of detailing. Now I have completed. Basically it is a city scenery painting, Puri street scene. Here I have used blue acrylic marker for giving some details of the shops on the street. If you are not comfortable with the acrylic marker, go for the acrylic colors only. Take a 000 or round brush, one number round brush, and apply the colors. Here I have taken 000 and giving the detailing part. I am used. I have used brown acrylic color here, and same way some places I have used acrylic markers as well. So I have completed the both the sides of the road. Now let's move on to the road part. The colors used here are red and blue and turquoise blue and orange. Now I am using the same raw sienna and white for the road, which I have used for the temple earlier, and I have done some few figures here, and I am taking the brown acrylic marker and giving little bit of detailing of the vehicles. I hope you like my today's video. All the detailing is given here by using black color and brown color. Here I am using the brush only, a round brush with 000 number, and I am going to finish this vehicle now. If you like my today's video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please kindly support me. And please try this at home and do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.